Like it's funny, right? Right here, people here, right, in the body experience, right, here is talking out of aerials and trying to be everyone else, all because of chairs, like here. This is not Northfield Shopping Centre, and there's not the other, and vice versa, like I stated before. Where does aerials and satellite dishes get their signal from? Space, called satellites. Is that true? So the one here does masks, like here, trying to be everyone that actually want to play ball. Who you are talking to? Extraterrestrials. Or your pussy masks. Couldn't take it. We're gonna make little mini yourselves. So where does the aerials come from? I don't believe in that washing line yet. It's right by this window. So the one does this bed. Tough. Get over it. I don't fucking do.